All right, y'all, got a new song to teach today. This one is called Love Like Me by Billy Strings. I'd never heard of it. My buddy sent me a text this morning with a link to the song and said, hey, I need some help trying to figure this out. And I pulled it up, listened to it, and he's doing all this stuff, and I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna have to get back to my dude on this. And it turns out it's not as bad as it thinks, like as you think it is. Like anything, I got into it a little bit. It's really just oriented around G, C, D. He's got the capo on 5, and he's doing this cool hammer on and pull off stuff here in the verse. We'll get into the detail here in a minute, but I'm gonna show you this, then we're gonna start small and build up to it. And all of that is oriented around the G, C, and the D. Okay, we're going to get into the detail of all that in a minute. Then he goes into the verse, and the verse is, we're going to start very basic on the verse too, and just get it under our fingers, the G, C, D during the verse. Here it is. You can climb the highest mountain, you could swim the deepest sea, you could walk that lonesome valley, never find a love like me. Okay, so that's just the very basic, simple chords. Now we're going to add a little bit to that next go round. Once you get that under your fingers, now we're just going to add in a little bit more rhythm into the strumming. You could climb the highest mountain, you could swim the deepest sea, you could walk that lonesome valley, never find a love like you. All right, now we're going to add in some hammer-ons in here. Okay, you can do this on the G by using your first finger. Keep your first finger off, and after you strum it, you throw that on. You do it on the G, on the C as well. Or you can do it on both strings, both top strings on the C. Do it on the D too. And almost all of these transitions from the G to the D to the C to the G, I'm doing those little hammer-ons. So they'll start to pop in. You'll throw them in wherever you feel it, and it'll just be natural. So when you throw some more of those little hammer-ons in there, you can spice up that verse a little bit. You could climb the highest mountain, you could walk. All right, now for this stuff he's doing in between. He's starting here on this as a part of this G chord, using this B and walking it up to the D. And when you get to that note, that's a part of this G chord. Let's do that again. Okay. That hammer on again. You can either do it with 2 fingers or 1. Okay, here's a pull off and a hammer on. It's a quick one, and you just take your time with it, you'll get it. Hammering on the D on the 2nd fret and then going to the D chord. And here's this little slide up he's doing. He's starting right here, these 2 strings. And, 'cause, 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 ' the G. So that little slide up is going from the 3rd and 2nd fret here to the 1 fret up. And then I'm playing them open. And then I'm hitting this note right here, which is a, I don't know. And then going to the G. So again, the whole thing.